Good morning, students. From Standard 6 English Medium. In this chapter, what is the chapter? Chapter number 2nd, noun number. In this chapter, I have completed the regular. Now comes to the irregular plural forms. Talk about the irregular plural forms. Okay, let's see which are the irregular plural forms and how we formed it. See. Some nouns do not follow the usual rules for forming their plurals. Sometimes these words change their spelling in different way or do not change at all to make plurals. See the example. Some nouns add en and ren from the plurals. To make the plurals, we add what? We add en and ren. Here is the example: child change into children, adding ren. And some other nouns change their middle vowels to form their plurals, which food, feet. Now there are some words given, singular form and plural form. Let's see which are they. In this word, goose is a singular word of noun, and geese is the plural form of the goose. Louse, lice. Mouse, mice. Tooth, teeth. And here foot, feet. Man, man. Only a spelling different. Man is a singular. men, man. Plural form of the man. Woman, women. Ox, oxen. Policeman, policeman. So these are the words, singular and plural. Okay, let's see of these other words also. Which are they? Here, octopus. Octopus change into octopia. Okay, octopi. Octopi. Octopus is a singular form and octopi is plural. Now some other which cannot change it. Which are they? Let's see. Octopi. Then comes to the person. Person is singular. When we change this person into plural, people is the plural form. Okay. Then the cactus. The word cactus. Which word? Cactus. C-A-C-T-U-S. Cactus change into cacti. T-I. Cacti is the plural. So this is the singular and plural form, which change only some words, some letters. Now comes to the next, number 3rd. The plural ending with what? S is added to the principal word of compound nouns. See, sister-in-law, singular. Sisters-in-law, plural. Where this S put after the noun. Here, aunt, commander, brother, father, mother, office, runner, and son. In this noun, we add only S and make it into the plural. How? See, aunt-in-law is singular. Aunts-in-law is plural. Commander-in-chief, singular. Commanders-in-chief, plural. Brother-in-law, brothers-in-law. Father-in-law, fathers-in-law. Mother-in-law, mothers-in-law. Officer-in-law, officers in charge. Officers in charge, officers in charge. Runner-up, runners-up. Son-in-law, sons-in-law. It's a plural. Now comes to the next exercise. Now look at here. Some nouns have the same singular and plural form. Singular and plural forms are same. Okay, which are they? See the example here given. Here see the remember thing. Which 100,000 and million have the same plural form as the singular only when they follow numerals. 500 pages, 10,000 people, 8 million rupees. These are the same. Which word? This 100,000 and million. The same form. singular and plural both. The name of nationality ending in ese do not change the plural form. Therefore, the nouns such as Chinese, Japanese remain the same in plural. Chinese and Japanese, singular and plural, both names are same. So here given the singular and plural form, which we cannot change it. Both we use as singular and plural. Let's see which are the words. In the first, aircraft, see the spelling aircraft in both, in singular column and plural column, both are same. Deer, dozen, fish, furniture, series, millions, species and thousand. Instead of these, some words which here given sheep, deer, then sheep, sheep. Sheep is the name of an animal. This words is in sheep, means both the word this singular and plural same. And there are more words. The words is bison, the words cod, code, noun, then the word dozen, 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 then the word grouse, grouse, this noun, then the word gymnastic, what? Gymnastic. These nouns remain the same as singular and plural. And the word information also, the noun form, in both in singular and plural, both remain same. Now comes to the next, foreign plurals. Some words in English have been borrowed from other languages. These words are called loan words. Okay? Then formation of plurals for such words is different from the usual rules. Look at the words below which have been borrowed either from Greek or Latin. Which are the words? See, here given the word agendum, singular, so the plural form agenda. Analysis, see, analysis, only I and here E. Appendix, appendices. Curriculum, curricula. Formula, formulae. Basis, basis. Crisis, crisis. Criterion, criteria. Oasis, oasis. Phenomenon, phenomena is the plural. Instead of this, there are more words given who change this from I borrow from Greek or Latin. Which? Alga is the word. What? Alga. Alga is singular and alga, G-A-E, is plural. Now the second word is larve. This is the singular and only adding E is the plural of larve. Okay. Then the word which? Stratum. S-T-A-R-T-U-M is the singular and plural of S-T-R-A-T-E. Strata is the plural of this word, borrow from the Latin. Okay, then comes to the now exercise. What? Exercise. Here is the given the exercise. We fill the blanks. Change the nouns given in brackets to their plural forms. Remember to capitalize when necessary. Okay, you put the capitalize when necessary. Now see the first one. Make 5 shapes in the given this blank. What? Make 5, here given the shape of sticks from this pile. So here talk about the 5 shapes. So not a singular form, here plural. But how to make plural? S-E-A-F and add only S. What? Add only S. So this is you make the plural. The first one S. Just a minute. How to make plural? First S-H-E and E-F. Okay, then A change into F, remove F and adding VES. This is the answer of the first one, not F and S. F remove, then adding VES, saves. Now comes to the second. Here given the blank. In this blank, mosquito is given. Can cause malaria. So here not a single mosquito, but here talk about the mosquitoes. So in the second blank, the first letter should be you write capital M. What is the spelling? MOSQUITO. Then what you add? ES. Then comes to make plural form. Mosquitoes can cause malaria. Okay, now comes to the third. Here talk about the commander in chief. Here talking about not singular. Are given, are going to visit our unit this week. So what you put here in commander? You say in the third, what? COMMANDER, then add S. Commanders in charge. Commanders in charge. This is how you write it, but you should write the first letter capital. Okay, now comes to the fourth one. What? Brush at least twice a day to keep your blank in good shape. Means here tooth. Brush at least twice a day to keep your, here given the tooth. So tooth is the singular form. How to make plural? We write teeth. So this is the plural of tooth. So number 4 answer is teeth. Now it comes to the number 5. The blank of the science and mathematics. So here given the analysis. So what you write here? The plural number 5. Number 5 answer ANALYSES. Analysis. Analysis of science and mathematics. 2 subject. Okay, that is why not put this singular plural. Number 6. What is the number 6? There were very few blank left on the tree. And what is the given word in the bracket? Leaf. So what you write? Remove the F and adding what in the 6? LEAVES. So leaves is the answer of the number 6. Now comes to number 7. In the number 7, what is the question? Where are the blank in support of your claim? So what you write here? Given the proof. So in this word 7 number, proof is singular form, but we need to write plural form of this proof. So only add S and make it into the plural of this proof. Okay, and this is the answer of number 7. Now comes to the number 8. Blank and given here, lady and gentleman. I welcome you to this gathering. Okay, so I welcome you means this not only lady and gentleman, but plural of this word, lady and gentleman. What is the plural of the lady and gentleman in number 8? Okay, so we say ladies and gentlemen. Men plural MEN, and ladies Y remove and adding IES. Ladies and gentlemen. Comes to the 9. 2 of my sisters. Not a talk about the sister, but 2 of my sisters blank are visiting us today. Not a single, but 2. But who? Brother-in-law. So what you write here? Brothers-in-law. Only adding S after brother. So brothers-in-law is the answer of the 9. Now comes to the number 10. The value of human is enormous. The value of human, not human, and here given the life. So human lives, not human life. Human lives is enormous. Okay, talking about the value. Whose value? Human lives values. Okay, so lives is the answer of the 10. Now the last one. I want to enroll for the essay competition. What are the criterion? What is the plural of this? So number 11 answer CRITE, criteria is the answer of criterion. Okay, so this is how we fill this blank. Okay, change these given nouns into plural forms, and wherever needed the capitalize, I already said to write the capital letter. I hope you understand this fill in the blanks and irregular verbs of the nouns, and thank you for hearing me. Thanks a lot.